Okay, so here's the last thing we're going to learn for the school year. And this really isn't too bad. It's everything you guys know how to do. You do know how to graph, so that's not the hard part. These are what's called scatter plots. Okay, we're not going to be connecting them, so don't draw any lines for one. But the thing is, you guys see here is when you construct them, they're either going to have a positive, negative, or the last thing in no correlation. Okay, and then positive, you guys should know. Just give you a brief thing here. Positive, it goes up. So something with this is that it's going to start kind of down and then go up. Okay? If it's negative, it's going to start kind of up, but then just go down. If it has no correlation, that means it's just jumping everywhere and it makes no sense. You can't find anything that makes sense about it. Okay? All right. So let's just take a brief thing to look. Okay, so basically what it is, it's giving you an X and a Y. We're just working with positives. Very nice. For this first one, everything is kind of, you see, everything's going in tenths. Whole numbers, tenths. So 1 is 0.77. And some of these are going to be like that. Just kind of get closer. Like this one here, I'm going to go over my 1. And I don't have a 0.77, but I have a 0.7, 0.8. 0.7 is going to be closer to 8, so just go ahead and mark it. 2 was 0.42, so go to the 4 and just slightly over. 3 is 0.44, so it would be somewhere just above that. 4 is 0.29, so almost to the 0.3. 5 is 0.15, so between the 1 and the 2. 6 is going to go to that same place. And I didn't notice these were both 3s. So if they're both 3s, they both have to be marked on the 3. So they're going to be kind of close, but on the same. So double check that. I didn't pay attention. Don't be me. Okay, 7 is going to 0.12. So a little bit over. Then there's another one at 0.15. Then over all the way to the 10, you go 0.14. So 0.14, 0.17, and 0.18. So you have 3 that are close there. Now the next thing asks you if that is a positive, negative, or no correlation. So like I said, it's kind of starting up. And you don't draw them, but kind of just look at them with your pencil. Don't draw it. It's going down. So that means this has got negative. And what that means is something that somebody's tracing and it's going down. Kind of like maybe, you guys hear a lot about stocks. The stock price is going down. Maybe it could be gas prices are going down. Okay, so that's all you got to do. Mark them, tell if it's negative, positive, or no correlation. I have a couple examples. These ones I've already done. So here is number 3. I've done them all. And as you can see, they're all over the place. So that means for this one, it's a no correlation. You can't tell if it's going up, it's down. It's just everywhere. And then the last one. Okay, already marked. And as you guys see, it kind of started down. Stayed down, started going up, and then it skyrocketed. So this is what's called a positive correlation. Okay, and again, that could be that, let's say, stock market. The stock market kind of was steady here, went up, and then just shot up. That could still be even gas prices, stayed steady, boom, up. Okay, that's what's called a positive, even though gas prices going up is not positive. Them making their money is positive. All right. Any questions? Ask, guys.